Hi friends, let's check the notification of UDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India, for the recruitment posts of CA, CWA, MBA Finance and the Commerce graduate. Let's check the notification for the recruitment. Name of the post and scale of the pay and number of vacancies, eligibility or qualification criteria. Let's check ours. Invites application for the following vacancies. Assistant Accounts Officer, essential or officers from the central government are holding analogous post, or check the professional qualifications, chartered accountant or cost accountant or MBA finance, or having SAS or equivalent examination of the organized accounts cadre of the central or state government, having successfully completed cash and cash accounts training organized by ITSM. In all those areas, at least having the 5 years in handling the accounts related to the work, or see the professional qualifications or chartered accountant, cost accountant, MBA finance, or any of the qualifications. Any one of the qualifications. If you're having any one of the above qualifications, then you can apply for the assistant accountant's post. And desirable is basic computer knowledge is enough for that. And for the accountant post, essential is graduate in the commerce, officers from the state government or public sector undertaking, autonomous organization having regular post in the correspondence grades in the requisite. Basic skills of the computer knowledge is enough. Age limit is below 56 years. Period on other terms conditions. Initially, the job will be up to 3 years and will be extended up to 5 years. General terms and conditions will be governed as per UIDAI. Accommodation and medical facility will be governed. Eligible and the willing candidate may apply through the proper channel in the prescribed format, that is Annexure 1 and Annexure 2. Prescribed and the proper format, that is Annexure 1, the cadre and the authorities, head of the departments are requested to forward the applications of the eligible and the willing candidates whose services can be spared on the deputation immediately. Application in the prescribed pro forma is Annexure 1. I will give the Annexure 1 link in the below the description of the video. Photocopies of ACRs, APRs for the last 5 years for the duly attested on each page by an officer. Cadre clearance certificate from the controlling authority. Please check the last date for the applications is for submitting the application is 15/9/2020. Please check all the details before filling the Annexure 1. Whatever is necessary and whatever applications are necessary for you, fill all the details and submit all the applications duly attested if necessary. The last date is 15/9/2020. Application for the deputation. Check all the details of the Annexure 1. And Annexure 2. You have to fill the Annexure 1. Annexure 2 will be filled by the cadre of the controlling authority. See the application once again, check, fill the details, and the last date for the for submitting the application is 15/9/2020. Thank you.